Will you believe that I make this pancake without butter or oil? I know you have had pancake before, but not something like this. This is the best pancake you can give to yourself. Oh yeah, come, let me show you the way. In a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, half tablespoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 cup of sugar with a pinch of salt. Mix together and set aside. In another separate bowl, pour in 1 cup of milk, vanilla extract, and 2 medium eggs. Mix very well and pour back into the dry ingredients. Mixing your wet and dry ingredients separately is very important for a beginner because it will help you to get the smooth texture you needed. Please, after mixing, make sure your batter isn't too thick or watery for you to be able to achieve that smooth and fluffy pancake. If needed to add water, go in bit by bit. Once your batter is looking like this, then it's good to go. Use a non-stick pan if you want that sexy look. But if you don't have, you can use any one. Once you see bubble like this, then you can flip over and make sure you are using a very low heat while cooking your pancake. And just like that, your pancake is ready. Serve this with honey or condensed milk. Let me know in the comment section if you want to know my condensed milk recipe.